Hello, I'm Carrie. I cosplay, crochet, and enjoy history bounding. You may have noticed that I have a thing for granny squares. I crocheted another big granny square. This one I'm going to turn into a cardigan. This is a very easy way of making a garment out of a square or rectangle, and it's the same basic idea that I used to make the coat for my Cruella de Vil cosplay. Let's get to it. First, I folded my granny square in half. If you're using a rectangle, fold lengthwise to have a long, skinny rectangle. Then I stitch partway along the narrow edge. I started where the corners meet and stitched towards the fold. I already figured out how big I wanted the sleeve opening to be. Here's the sleeve. Here you can see how much of the side is stitched up. Now to do the same to the other side. Now to try it on. I like how it's looking. I'm now adding rows to the large open edge of the cardigan. This will give the cardigan more length and create a collar. Most of the way around is very simple. Just put clusters into the chain spaces. When it comes to the join, where the two corners meet, I need to have one cluster covering the join. I don't know how easy this will be to see, but I put one double crochet in the first corner, then stitch the two corners together. It's the same as how I decrease. Yarn over into the first space, pick up from behind into the next space, pick up from behind. There should be 4 loops on the hook. Pick up, pull through 3, pick up, pull through 2. Now one more double crochet in the second space to finish the cluster. It would be better if I could crochet in frame. The next time I have to do one of these, I'll try to show you again. I ended up doing 4 rounds to lengthen and create a collar. I have to say, I really like how this looks so far. Next, to add some length to the sleeves. Same as before, I simply put clusters into the chain spaces. Oh, here we go again. The join of the 2 corners. 1 double crochet in the first space. Stitch the 2 spaces together, then a 3rd double crochet in the 2nd chain space. Good job, Past Carrie. You crocheted while being in frame. All right, time to see how the progress looks. This is the sleeve where I added 3 rows. And then comparing to the side without adding length to the sleeve. I think I like the sleeve that I didn't add to. Time to unravel what I just did. Well, that's it. I think I'm done. It's done! And it was quick and easy. I prefer the look of the sleeve without adding any length to it, but to each their own. We're into the time of year where an extra layer is greatly appreciated, and it goes with my vest. I do like my vests. Well, that's it for this video. Thank you very much for watching. If you liked this, please give it a thumbs up. If you have ideas for projects that I can incorporate granny squares into, let me know in the comment section. Until next time, have fun, be creative, and take care. And stay warm. To get my camera at the right height to be able to film myself and be in frame, I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I have 8 books here. We have Anna Green Gables, a couple of volumes of Les Aventures de Tintin, Mother Goose and Grimm comic collection, Trees of North America, collection of sci-fi stories. And then what do we have? Pride and Prejudice, and female Tommies. Behind the scenes.